Kao što sam već...
Society. So it's not only about the government, it's also about the parliament. It's not only about the coalition, it's also about the opposition. The best way to go forward on the European path is including opposition as much as possible to support all the necessary reports. On the other side, I can understand that there are sometimes different opinions on different subjects, but this is what the Parliament is. The parliaments should be the place to discuss about those differences, but not to forget one most important thing. What is it about and why Montenegro wants to join the EU? So I expect that the parliament, that the majority in the parliament will support the EU reforms and that all the political parties, including the opposition, will help Montenegro and myself on the way of Montenegro to the European Union.